In this video, I'll guide you through how to analyze attribution data in HubSpot. Understanding how your marketing efforts contribute to your business goals is crucial, and HubSpot's attribution reporting tools make it easier than ever to get a clear picture of your marketing performance. Whether you're a seasoned marketing professional or just getting started with HubSpot, this guide will help you navigate through the process step by step. Let's start by navigating to the HubSpot dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the reporting tab at the top of your screen. Hover over it and you'll see a drop down menu. From this menu, click on Reports. This will take you to the reports homepage where you can create, manage, and view all your reports. Now, we want to create a new report specifically focused on attribution data. To do that, look for the Create Report button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will open up a new window with various reporting options. Once you're in the report creation area, you'll see several categories. To focus on attribution, select the attribution option. HubSpot offers several attribution models to choose from, and selecting the right one depends on what you're looking to analyze. Attribution models help you understand how different marketing activities contribute to conversions. You might choose a first interaction model if you're interested in what first brings visitors to your site, or a last interaction model if you want to know what activities directly lead to a conversion. Each model provides unique insights, so it's worth considering what aspect of your marketing funnel you're most interested in analyzing. After selecting the attribution model that best suits your needs, it's time to build your report. You'll be prompted to choose the data you want to include. This might include metrics like traffic sources, specific campaigns, or content performance. Consider what data points are most relevant to your goals. Are you trying to understand which channels generate the most leads, or do you want to see how different touch points contribute across the customer journey? Once you've selected your data, you can customize the report by applying filters and adjusting how the data is displayed. This customization helps tailor the report to your specific needs, making it easier to extract the insights that are most valuable to you. When you're satisfied with your selections, you can finalize the report. Simply click on the Create Report button, and HubSpot will generate it for you. This report can be saved, shared with your team, or integrated into dashboards for easy access and ongoing analysis. Analyzing attribution data in HubSpot provides powerful insights that can guide your marketing strategy. By understanding which activities drive success, you can allocate resources more effectively, optimize campaigns, and ultimately improve your ROI. Take the time to explore different attribution models and see how they align with your business objectives. I hope this guide has helped you feel more confident in analyzing attribution data in HubSpot. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.